the two of us will start off caring all about this life we're sharing. You and I will be high up on the fields of love. You'll laugh at my jokes, and we'll be sweet as two cherry cokes. And that's what's gonna happen.
Sounds wonderful.
Then I'll take you out to dinner, all the while my wallet's thinner, and I'll yell, where the hell did all my money go? But I'll put on everything, so I should say for a 3-carat ring, and that's what's gonna happen.
Oh, I don't care about stuff like that.
And I'll be sure that's what I'm for, cause bring me a joy you can't buy or sell. One night you'll ask, do you still love me? Sometimes I can't quite tell.
How do you know?
So then I'm caught in this quandary, cause I touch your dirty laundry. But that stuff is not enough for you to know I care. Inside a lullaby, but outside I'll stay calm. And that's what's gonna happen. But then one fateful day, hey guys, they'll try to walk away. That's right, despite my misgivings and fears and delays, it's me, not you.
Though we all know that's not true.
Then you'll look at me and burst into tears. You'll surprise, I'll stop and listen, 'cause no guy wants to make a girl cry. So then you'll cry every day, I'll pretend to stay, and then I'll freak out and end it. Sadly, that is how they're falling. You go and tell all your friends I must be gay. You walk away from a perfect girl like you. Now your friends all hate me too, but I just did what old men do.
That's true.
And that's